What if I told you that the next heart transplant might not come from a donor, but from a printer? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. There's a startup right now, real, funded, and operating, that is 3D printing actual human organs. Not models, not toys. Real biological tissues that could soon save lives. In today's video, we're diving deep into the groundbreaking world of bioprinting, how it works, who's behind it, and what it means for the future of medicine, technology, and even immortality. Stick around, because what you're about to see could change the way you think about life itself. A critical shortage of organs results in long transplant waiting lists. Statistics highlight the high mortality rate among patients on transplant waiting lists. The urgent need for alternative solutions is driven by the limited availability of organs. 3D bioprinting is an additive manufacturing process that uses bioinks containing living cells. Bioprinting creates functional tissues and organs by precisely layering bioinks. 3D bioprinting differs from traditional 3D printing by using bioinks instead of plastics or metals. The core advantage of bioprinting lies in its ability to create living, functional biological structures. 3D bioprinting begins with a CT, MRI scan of the patient's organ to create a precise digital model. Bioink, composed of cells, scaffolding material, and growth factors, is prepared for printing. The 3D bioprinter precisely deposits bioink layer by layer, following the digital blueprint to construct the organ. Bioink composition involves sourcing appropriate cells, such as stem cells or differentiated cells. Scaffolding materials like hydrogels provide essential structural support within the bioink. Growth factors are added to bioink to promote cell proliferation and tissue maturation. The combination of cells, scaffolding, and growth factors forms functional bioink suitable for bioprinting. Following bioprinting, the organ requires maturation and functional development. The bioprinted organ is placed in a bioreactor to facilitate tissue development and vascularization. The bioreactor provides a controlled environment with nutrients, oxygen, and mechanical stimulation. Controlled conditions within the bioreactor promote the maturation of the bioprinted organ. A key challenge in bioprinting is achieving vascularization, the creation of a functional blood vessel network within the printed tissue. Ensuring cell survival and integration within the printed structure is critical for the long-term viability of bioprinted tissues. Scaling up bioprinting processes for large and complex organs presents significant engineering and biological hurdles. Bioprinted organs offer potential applications in organ transplantation, drug testing, and personalized medicine. Bioprinted tissues can be utilized to create disease models for effective drug screening. Bioprinting facilitates the development of patient-specific therapies through customized tissue and organ fabrication. The use of bioprinted organs can significantly reduce the organ shortage for transplantation. Ongoing research and development efforts are advancing the field of bioprinting. Advancements in bioink materials are crucial for creating functional bioprinted tissues. Innovative printing technologies enable precise deposition of bioinks to construct complex biological structures. Bioreactor designs are being optimized to provide the ideal environment for tissue maturation and vascularization. These advancements pave the way for future breakthroughs in regenerative medicine. The future of medicine is no longer science fiction. It's happening right now. Imagine a world where organ donors are no longer needed, and lives are saved with the push of a button. If you found this as mind-blowing as we did, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big breakthrough. Drop a comment below. Would you trust a 3D printed organ in your body? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay on the cutting edge of tech.